Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video we'll discuss the top 7 best refrigerator water filters, so let's get started. Number 7. Samsung HAV-SYN EXPOF. Of course, almost everyone in the world knows that Samsung is one of the leading companies when it comes to the manufacturing of electronics. What most people don't know, however, is that the company also produces refrigerator water filters. If you own a Samsung refrigerator, this might be the ideal option for you, as this water filter is suitable for an extensive range of Samsung fridges. Apart from delivering clear and clean water with an excellent taste, this filter also protects your refrigerator components from sediment accumulation. Furthermore, this product comes with a revolutionary technology which helps it to eliminate all your water impurities. While it will remove all the bad things that your water may contain, it won't remove fluoride as it is beneficial. This model also features a remarkable light indicator which allows you to know the filter's condition. The indicator enables you to know when it's time to change the filter. Number 6. EveryDrop by Whirlpool refrigerator. The first product on our list is the EveryDrop by Whirlpool refrigerator water filter. One, versatile, durable and incredibly efficient. This water filter is our top pick, and we promise you that it will completely handle your refrigerator's filtration needs. Being a versatile model, it can be used with different types of refrigerators including KitchenAid, Whirlpool, Gen Air, Maytag and Amana. Moreover, it works with refrigerators with bottom freezer, top freezer and side-by-side designs. The filter is designed to remove the majority of your water contaminants, guaranteeing you of clean, clear drinking water. Not only that, but it uses triple filtration technology, which consists of microfiltration, absorption filtration and particle filtration. While absorption filtration blocks microscopic contaminants, microfiltration absorbs medium-sized particles. The particle filtration in its turn captures larger particles. EMA equals 1s. The number 5. Frigidaire WF3CB. Of course, almost everyone in the world knows that Samsung is one of the leading companies when it comes to the manufacturing of electronics. What most people don't know, however, is that the company also produces refrigerator water filters. If you own a Samsung refrigerator, this might be the ideal option for you, as this water filter is suitable for an extensive range of Samsung fridges. Apart from delivering clear and clean water with an excellent taste, this filter also protects your refrigerator components from sediment accumulation. Furthermore, this product comes with a revolutionary technology, which helps it to eliminate all your water impurities. While it will remove all the bad things that your water may contain, it won't remove fluoride, as it is beneficial. Number 4. Pureline Place 100. Efficient, long-lasting, and easy to install, the Pureline Place 100 is a decent addition to Pureline's long list of high-quality water filters. While it doesn't have a super thorough high-end filtration process, that's nothing surprising considering the fact that it is an aftermarket replacement refrigerator water filter. Apart from that, though, it has all the certifications usually issued by independent labs, which makes us fairly confident about its performance. While it's not really suited to many refrigerators, it performs decently on the ones it works with. Furthermore, apart from making sure that your water tastes very fresh and clean, the Pureline Place 100 also removes 99% of herbicides, chromium, lead, mercury, and pesticides. Number 3. LG LT800P. Like Samsung, LG is also a manufacturer that is primarily known for electronics. However, They also produce refrigerator water filters, and they are quite good at it. The LG-LT800P is one of their inventions, and it's designed with LG refrigerators in mind. Apart from being compact, this product is also lightweight, which makes it seem appealing to a lot of people. Not only that, but it is also easy to install, so you don't need any special tools to start enjoying fresh and clean water. Of course, the fact that it is a water filter doesn't mean it has to be flimsy. Nobody understands this better than LG, and that is why they have made this product to be very sturdy. Number 2. GE RPWFE refrigerator. Featuring some of the best features you will ever find in a refrigerator water filter, the GE RPWFE refrigerator water filter is one of the first options you should look at when choosing the right water filter for your fridge. Equipped with the advanced premium filtration system, this system is capable of eliminating up to 5 pharmaceutical contaminants from your water. Apart from that, it also helps to eliminate chlorine and heavy metals, leaving you with a super clean, safe water. In addition, this model also promises to eliminate bad odor from your water, so you don't need to cope with the chlorine smell or anything like that. Moreover, it's outfitted with a unique technology which helps it to retain the essential minerals. Number 1. Waterdrop UKF8001. Waterdrop is a brand renowned for its production of water filters that fit an extensive array of refrigerators, and the Waterdrop UKF8001 shows exactly why. Whether you own a Maytag, KitchenAid, or Kenmore refrigerator, this super efficient model from Waterdrop is the perfect replacement model for you. It's designed to deliver safe, great-tasting water and ice directly from your fridge to you and your family. The Waterdrop UKF8001 is an excellent choice for 3 primary reasons. First of all, it comes with 3 filters at a fraction of the price of one OEM filter. With this, you are supported for almost 1.5 years, as one unit is expected to spend up to 6 months.